Hello friends, our today's topic is environmental determinism. Let's start. As we know in human geography deals with man and environment relationship. In human geography, we study all the relationship or interaction between man and environment. But from the environmental perspective, we have three terms. First one is determinism. Second one is possibilism that we discuss later, and third one is neo-determinism. So today our focus will be on determinism. What is determinism? Who are determinists? These all will discussed. So in simple word, determinism or in Hindi निश्चयवादी या पर्यावरणीय निश्चयवादी, pupil who thinks that in man and environment relationship, the environment or nature is supreme. People thinks that in man and environment relationship, the nature or environment is supreme. Or in other words, the nature control all the activities of man, or nature may be called creator or God. So these people thinks that God or creator is our destiny is decided by him or her. So this one is the first characteristics. Second, they give no value to man's effort. No value to man, or we may say that our all destiny, culture, religion, etc., cultural values, all are decided by the nature. Nature is supreme. Man is only a passive agent. Nature is the active agent. So these are all determinist, you may say, and all our old civilizations, Greek, the Aristotle, Socrates, etc., Roman, after that Arabs, Indian, Chinese, etc., all ancient geographers, ancient scholars, they were all are determinist. They thought that nature control the activities of human. Scholars up to Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant gave an example that the pupil of Indonesia has very short eyes. Their eyes are very short because there is lot of rainfall, lot of mosquitoes. They can be go inside. So these the nature provide them very short eyes. So you may say that Kant thought that all the human races, their behavior, all these are controlled by nature. So Kant is also determinist, environmental determinist. These all going up to Charles Darwin, who came up with a book, Origin of Species. This has become a breakthrough in human thinking, you may say, because up to Charles Darwin, people thinks that all the religion, including the Isas and Muslims, all these, they thinks that the man is living somewhere in the heaven, but they committed any sin, so God throw them into the world somewhere. But Darwin has other ideas. Darwin said it is a long process of evolution from chimpanzee to monkeys to Homo sapiens to humans. So we have a gradual process of evolution. So this book of Darwin read by a geographer, Frederick Ratzel from Germany. So Ratzel start a new scientific determinism, or Ratzel also the founder of the German School of Human Geography also. Ratzel emphasis on location. According to Ratzel, it is the location who makes a man different from other. If a man is very high in height, or very short, or good in his temper or bad in his temper, these all are dependent on location. Similar location led to similar civilization or similar countries. He gave example of Britain and Japan. Both are the sea covered countries, so both have similar almost, we may say, similar growth of mode in these countries. They can't be attacked easily. They have very good navy forces. So Ratzel wrote a book in 1871, Anthropogeography. So Frederick Ratzel emphasizes on location. Alan C. Sample emphasizes on topography. E. Huntington, he gave value to the climate. According to him, climate decides, and the Geddes, they give emphasis on soil. So these all are physical factors. The physical factor decides what's going on in a country, what's our people behavior, their culture, everything decided by these physical factors according to these geographer. So they all are counted in determinist. So now I hope you will understand the concept of determinism. In next video we will cover possibilism and later neo-determinism. Thank you.